This one is heavy. I want to say it's like 25, 30 pounds. This box is actually something like that. 1100. My handwriting is horrible. Anyway, if you guys want to see a beater box episode, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, back in 2019 with the beater box series. This beater box is gonna be $1,100, and you guys already know what it is, man. Beater boxes, it is the staple of this channel, and it will continue to be the staple of this channel all throughout 2019, or until Soul Supremacy stops selling beater boxes, which I hope never happens because they're so much fun, and more importantly, making money reselling the sneakers in these boxes. But before we get into this box and what it's all about, I want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is honestly like one of the best companies I've ever worked with, guys, and it's because I love their products. Like, I genuinely love the products. If you guys have seen me like out and about in Hawaii, which I know it's a small number of you guys that actually live here, but if you guys do see me out in Hawaii, I'm usually wearing like one of these pieces or both because I actually do like matching these things up. So one of my favorites is actually up on the screen right here. It is like that grenade necklace, which again, it's just a very small piece, but it matches with like everything. And that minimal design is just really sweet in my opinion. The other one you guys have seen a lot in the past as well is that like feathered winged necklace, which you guys have seen me wear it a lot because I do love this one the most. And the quality of these things are really, really nice. Just presentation all around from this company is just very dope, guys. So if you guys are looking to like add style to whatever sneakers you're wearing or whatever like hype clothes you're wearing, Rose Gold and Black, man. If you guys are interested in checking out these pieces, I highly recommend you guys go to the description below right now. If you guys go to that link, you will be taken to Rose Gold and Black, where you will get 25% off your order. Low prices going even lower, right? Buyer. Anyway, thank you again to Rose Gold and Black for sponsoring this video. With that being said, let's get into this beater box. The beater boxes always come from SoulSupremacy.com. Soul Supremacy is a shop out in California that specializes in selling shoes and these beater boxes. In these beater boxes are mystery sneakers, which you don't know what condition you're gonna get. Majority of the time, they will be in used condition though. I mean, that's what a beater box is. They're full of beaters per se. But what you're supposed to do is clean them up and then you're able to resell them for more than what you bought the box for. We bought this box for $1,100, so we're hoping that we're gonna make some profit on it. But yeah, that's that. So let's get into it. It's insane like how much stuff they can like shove in here, dude. Like, this is a very heavy box, no joke. I'm guessing, before I even look, I'm guessing there's gonna be at least I want to say 9 shoes. It's gonna be a 9-shoe box, maybe 10 shoes. Oh, okay, well, not a good reaction. For the first shoe, you guys can see that we have a pair of the Jordan 6 Chinese New Year's CNYs. This one is in a size 9.5 though. And you know, I'm not really big on 6s, but this is one of the better colorways in my opinion, just because it's so unique. You guys can see a lot of like Chinese themed vibes on here. This one is used, definitely. You can tell, like, there's fraying over here even. Bottom's dirtied up, some scuffing over here. No box, but it is a good shoe, so hopefully there's some decent value on this one. Size 9.5. You guys can see on the counter over here how much exactly these shoes are worth on the open market right now. Some of these shoes will surprise you, man, and they'll surprise me too. Anyway, this next shoe is a very, very hyped pair of shoes. These are the Foamposite Gone Fishing. It is in a size 9.5 as well, so I'm assuming it's like the same collection. One of the more popular Foamposites, you guys can see over here, it has like fish scales throughout the entire shoe, which makes it like a very, very unique look. And also on the back heel over here, you can see that fish. And you know, I actually really like this shoe. This is one of my favorite Foamposites, to be honest. I'm not super big on Foamposites, but this is definitely one of the ones that like stands out to me. Yeah, I don't know. It's just one of the more unique ones, and I think that's pretty dope. That's it for the two without boxes. This one is a New Balance. It says by your boy Ronnie, so I don't know what to expect on this one. Whoa, I tried to pull it out sideways, but it's a flip-up box. Oh man, I hope I didn't just destroy that box. Please don't let this be a dead stock there. What is this? Definitely not dead stock. There's dirty bottoms all around on here. I don't know, guys. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm not savvy with New Balance, but check it out over here. It is very clean other than those bottoms. So no markings or anything that I can see, and it has a bunch of the laces. Like, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 different laces? That's typical actually of like Ronnie collab. So yeah, this one is in a size 11.5 though. Interesting box. I'm sure it's some kind of collab. What is this? Kid socks. Okay, I guess it comes with stand socks. Is that how it's supposed to go? Open this up real fast. What do we got here? Just literally a sock. Okay, but yeah, I believe these do come with the shoe. I gotta do some research on this. Hopefully some decent value on here. Might end up just keeping the socks and selling the shoes. I wonder if that'll bring down the value. Don't tell anybody, guys. So the more shoes I pull out of here, I can actually see the bottom now, and I know what that pack is. I gave it away kind of, but yeah, it is a pack, and it's one that we've seen before in the past. But yeah, it's an interesting one. So sit tight for that. This next shoe out, we have a I5923 Neighborhood Adidas collab, I guess. Yeah. I don't know. So you guys can see over here, it has that Neighborhood logo across one of the Adidas stripes. It is made out of Boost material, but black Boost is just disgusting in my opinion. I mean, the white Boost just is what you know it for, and black is just doing too much, man. It's doing too much. Other than that though, it has the NBHD on the back and nothing else really that shows like it's a Neighborhood collab. Very plain sneaker in my opinion. All right, so we got two Supreme Vans boxes in here, which is kind of cool. This one is a Supreme Slip-On Pro size 8.5. Oof, okay. Are these rare or what, guys? I don't really know my Vans really well, but it has like that 666 design. I don't really want to speak to that anymore just because that number isn't really allowed in my religion, or it's not really a good number, so yeah. I think these actually have decent value though. Obviously, Supreme collab is gonna have kind of good values. If you guys want these, they will be on the web store, link in the description below. So I see a second box and I hope it's not the same shoe. It is Supreme again. Supreme Vans off the wall again. Oh, this one's different. So size 9. Half Cab Pro. These are pretty dope, man. All right, so these are a pair of I don't know, Campbell's Soup Supreme Vans. I don't know, I've never seen this before, but this is very used as well. You guys see on the back over here, Vans off the wall Supreme, and it has those Campbell Soup designs like running across the entirety of the shoe. I wonder what the price of these are. Size 9. You know, I have no idea what the value is on these, but if you guys want these will also be on the web store. This is a weird box. I don't like it so far. I don't like what we see, guys. Only one Jordan and then 4 random kind of collab shoes. Hopefully there's value there, I'm not too sure. We do have this Yeezy 350 box though, so Yeezys are always fun, right? Size 11.5. These are the Beluga 1.0s. Beluga 1.0s in a size 11.5. I'm laughing because you guys probably don't understand unless you watch every single video. But yeah, Beluga 1.0s. Anyway, check them out over here. They are in very, very good condition. There's like no damage over the top at all. Boost looks super white, in fact, so I'm sure it was worn like maybe once. Very clean sneaker though, so if you guys want these will be on the web store as well. Can't fit a size 11.5 and also not big on Yeezys, so it is what it is. I can't, one of those shoes that we pass by must be like very high in value, or this must be a dead stock pack, because I don't know where the value is on an $1,100 box with the stuff we've seen. This one is a penny pack though. We got this like maybe in my second beater box ever. I know it very well. It was a very memorable box. This one is in a size 10.5. And the retail value of this says 500 bucks. I don't know if it's going for that much, especially if it's not in dead stock condition. So fingers crossed, guys. Pretty dope though. When you open up the box, you guys can see over here, you guys remind me of my shoe closet. I got 2 pennies and a bunch of loafers. So unique box, pretty cool. Ooh, it might be a dead stock pack. Right on. All right, so that's good. That's good. So this one is called the Shooting Stars pack, and it comes with the Foamposite and also whatever the heck these things are. Obviously, this is the more popular of the two. You guys can see how icy those bottoms are. Never worn, it looks like, so that's awesome. Other shoe, again, has very, very icy bottoms, and it has that plastic over here, so another good sign that it was probably never worn, which is nice. If I was a big Foamposite guy, I would honestly keep this pack just for that white one, because that one is dope. What is the dead stock value on this, though? Shooting Stars pack? Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's not going for anything. What the heck is going on? It shows that they're selling for about $300 only for a dead stock pack. Retail was $500. That's insane. So where's the value on this box, guys? I don't really see it. I know the Gone Fishings are worth a decent amount. The Yeezy 350s are worth a decent amount. And then this penny pack, I guess, is like 300 bucks or whatever. So I guess technically that's like your money back, but at the same time, like, it wasn't very hype, is what I'm getting at. I don't know how to feel. I'm gonna say that it wasn't a good box though. A lot of cool shoes, a lot of different shoes, just nothing like really like wow or, you know, stands out. So we're kind of starting off 2019 slow, it looks like, for beater boxes, but that's okay because every shoe does sell. And that's the nice part about this thing about like reselling sneakers and about these beater boxes, is that no matter what you get in a box, if you wait long enough, there will be a buyer for it. You just need to make sure that you clean it up, and you got to make sure that you have the right pricing on it. But at the end of the day, trust me, someone will buy the shoes, just because everybody loves shoes, and there's certain shoes that like resonate with certain people, so every shoe sells. Anyway, that is it for this beater box. I do not know what the value was. I hope it was good. Let me know in the comments below what your guys' personal thoughts are though. I always love hearing your guys' feedback on beater boxes, whatever we're opening up, just because you guys have a different opinion than mine. So that's what's nice about it. And I want to hear if you guys like this stuff, if you guys didn't like it at all, and if you guys did like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoot.